Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's jump right into the makeup look. I'm going to do a Valentine's Day halo eyeshadow look for beginners because I'm a beginner and I really didn't know what I was doing. I just decided to set my entire face with all of the Sacha Buttercup powder I had left. Now I'm going in with Truffled in the Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar palette. Like I said in the last video, don't judge my blending skills. I know it looks like a windshield wiper on a dry window in the desert, but I try the best that I can. Now I'm taking the shades Lexus and Shameless in the Carry Beauty singles, and I'm applying that to my outer and inner eyelid. You guys can see that I straightened my hair this video. Last video I had it curly, and now I straightened it. Now I'm going into the blushes that I have. One's from Black Radiance and one's from e.l.f. I'm just using that to make the pink a little bit more bolder. And it did a world of difference adding those pinks, let me tell you. I could see it popping off the screen. I'm looking like 2012 Nicki Minaj, and I'm kind of living, I'm not gonna lie. Now I'm taking that pink and just running it under my lower lash line. Now I'm taking the last two shades in the CoverGirl Nudes True Naked palette. I don't remember the name, and I don't even know if they have names, but I'm using that on a little bit on the outer and inner, just bringing it in some away from the pink, so it could be like a ombre transition. I don't know these terms. Now I'm taking it and running it under my lash line, and this is where everything goes wrong. I don't know if the brush hit my eye, or if I just cleaned my brushes and maybe there was still soap left on the brush. I don't know, but it's literally the most excruciating stinging pain starts happening. I'm in shambles. My eye is running. I look like Mulan from that scene. Y'all know what scene in Mulan I'm talking about, where she hops in the tub and the makeup is smearing. I'm over it. I can't take. My wig is off. It's peeling back. It is just horrible. It is burning. I have to reapply my Sacha Buttercup powder. What all is left, because I used all of it in the first part. It was just, it was so bad. It was burning for such a long time. I obviously cut the video, but I was literally wiping my eye for a solid 8 to 10 minutes because it was burning so badly. Now I'm taking the tiniest bit of Licorice, this black in the Chocolate Bar palette, and putting it close to the center of my eye, but not quite. I just want to make it deeper. Now I'm taking Gold. It's not called Gold. I think it's called Caramel. I don't have it in front of me. How unprofessional am I to not have the palette in front of me? Now I'm just adding some more black, doing any final blending, making sure it looks poppin'. Now I'm adding those two shades you see on the screen from the two palettes that I used in my inner corner. Again, I don't have this stuff in front of me. Now I'm just checking it out, making sure it looks alright, making sure it looks good. Now I'm adding one of my favorite mascaras, the Sumptuous Knockout Lash Sumptuous Knockout Mascara. I'm adding that to my lashes right now. Now I'm just going to wipe away all that buttercup powder I put on, and I'm really trying to wipe it away because it's looking quite yellow, quite Big Birdish on my face. Okay, I'm looking kind of cute there. Now I'm going in with a different types of lipsticks because I was undecided. I first put on this like purplish Barney and Friends one from ColourPop, and I was like, it's not cutting it. So I had to wipe that off. Then I went in with this NYX red one. It only took me a few swipes to realize, nope, that ain't cutting it either. And then I decided to go with my favorite duo. I love putting Dose of Colors Cork liquid lipstick. It's probably like my favorite liquid lipstick. As you can see, I got lipstick all over my chin. But I love using that lipstick with like on top of any other color. I just think it's such a good lipstick color for me. And then I put Lion King by ColourPop on top. And I was very pleased with the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for weekly videos, and I will see you next week. Bye. Oh, check out that collarbone. I've been going to the gym. Don't you see that little collarbone over the shoulder? Yes, Smize, Tyra Smize. All right, bye guys.
That's it, Brian?